Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Well Institute English Listening Practice. This is episode 4, and today's topic is healthy food. Healthy food is very important for every person. Without healthy food, our body cannot work properly. If we eat good food, we feel strong and happy. If we eat bad food, we feel weak and sick. That is why people say, health is wealth. What is healthy food? Healthy food means fresh fruits, green vegetables, milk, eggs, rice, bread, nuts, and clean water. These foods give us energy, vitamins, proteins, and minerals. Our body needs all these things to stay healthy. For example, fruits like apples, bananas, and oranges give us vitamins. They are also tasty and easy to eat. Vegetables like carrots, spinach, and tomatoes make our body strong. Milk gives us calcium. Calcium makes our bones and teeth strong. Rice, wheat, and bread give us energy to study, to play, and to work. Nuts like almonds and peanuts are also good because they give us protein. Why should we avoid junk food? On the other hand, junk food is not healthy. Junk food means chips, burgers, pizza, fried food, cold drinks, and too many sweets. These foods may look delicious, but they are not good for our health. If we eat junk food every day, we may become fat, lazy, and sick. Junk food does not give us important vitamins and minerals. It only gives us oil, sugar, and salt, which are harmful to our body. For example, if a child eats chips and chocolates every day instead of fruits and vegetables, the child will not grow strong. He may fall sick often and will not be able to play or study well. That is why we should eat junk food only sometimes, not every day. How does healthy food help our brain? Healthy food not only helps our body but also helps our brain. When we eat fresh and natural food, our brain works fast. We can remember better and learn quickly. Students who eat healthy food can study with focus. On the other hand, if we eat too much junk food, we feel sleepy and tired. Our brain becomes slow, and we cannot concentrate on our lessons. That is why breakfast is very important. Breakfast gives us energy in the morning to start the day. If we miss breakfast, we feel weak in school or college. A healthy breakfast can be milk, eggs, fruits, or bread. Importance of water. Water is also a part of healthy food. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Water cleans our body, helps in digestion, and keeps us fresh. Without water, no person can live. So, drinking enough water is also very important for good health. Eating habits. Healthy food is not only about what we eat, but also about how we eat. We should eat 3 meals every day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Skipping meals is not good. We should eat slowly and chew food well. Eating too fast is not healthy. Also, eating too much food is harmful. We should eat in the right amount, not less and not more. Good lifestyle with healthy food. Healthy food also helps us in living a good lifestyle. If we eat fruits, vegetables, and drink water every day, our skin looks fresh, our hair becomes strong, and our body feels light. We do not fall sick easily. We can work hard and enjoy life. On the other hand, if we eat junk food and drink cold drinks every day, we may get health problems like obesity, diabetes, or heart disease. These diseases are very dangerous. That is why doctors always advise people to eat more natural and less processed food. Real-life example. Let me share a small example. There are 2 boys. The first boy eats fruits, milk, vegetables, and drinks water every day. He feels active, plays football, studies well, and enjoys his day. The second boy eats chips, burgers, and drinks cola every day. He feels tired, does not play much, and often falls sick. This shows how food can change our life. Conclusion. So friends, remember, healthy food makes us strong, smart, and happy. Junk food makes us weak, lazy, and sick. We should eat more fruits, vegetables, and natural food. We should drink enough water. We should avoid too much junk food. In short, if we eat healthy today, we will have a healthy tomorrow. Thank you for listening to episode 4 of the Speak Well Institute podcast. If you liked this episode and learned something new, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Speak Well Institute for more daily English listening practice. See you in the next episode.